Hello everyone, my name is Ergo Josh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a special product that many of you have asked about, and you already know what it is because you read the title and the thumbnail, Paperlike. This has been very frequently asked about on my channel. What screen protector do I use? Do I use Paperlike? And so finally today I've got it here and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Now, Paperlike was kind enough to send me their product free of charge. However, this video is not sponsored, so full disclosure there. In this video, what I'm going to do is take off my old screen protector, apply the new Paperlike one, and then test it out, and then tell you guys what I think at the end of the video. Sounds like a good plan, right? So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Original paper feel, draw with a natural feel. So you clean it first. What is this? Here we go. Nice. So here we are after a lot of struggle. You can see that that's the best I could do. You can see there's a few bubbles here and there, but I just wanted to really hurry up and get it on because I don't really mind bubbles too much, to be honest. The most important part of the video is I'm going to test this screen protector. Before I do that though, what I do want to say is that, yeah, it's overall feels a lot thinner. I feel like there's almost nothing on the screen itself. It seems like the texture itself is a lot finer grained. There is a noticeable slight, very slight kind of rainbow effect as I'm looking at it closely. I'm going to open up an older piece of artwork actually. Let's open up the lips one since it has color. It's not noticeable. The rainbow effect isn't noticeable when I have something on the screen. It's only noticeable when I'm looking at it with a very close eye, looking at a perfectly white canvas. So, yeah, let's use one stroke and see how this sounds. So far it sounds pretty nice with my fingers. Can you hear that? And then now, let's take my brush and see how that sounds. That's the sound of my hand and the pencil. Feels very nice. So I'm going to start drawing and tell you guys what I think. Okay, we are finally done with this sketch. I tried to limit myself to 90 minutes, and this was also the first thing I drew this morning, so please bear with me. It took a little bit to get used to drawing again, but I was able to finish it, and now I have my final word on Paperlike. Overall, I can say that I like it. I do enjoy the screen protector. It feels, there's something about it that makes it feel a little bit more high quality. It feels like it gets the job done with less material. As I said, it's very thin compared to the other ones that I've used. I've used two others. I've used one by iCares, and I think another one was by Tech Armor or something like that. Those were both things that I purchased from Amazon. But yeah, and then also what I noticed is that this seems to have a little bit more of a lower pitched sound, a little bit quieter when I make pencil strokes. So compared to what I'm used to, it sounds very, it sounds lower pitched, it sounds softer, it's a little bit less jarring. I wonder what you guys will think once I edit this. But yeah, I really do enjoy it. The only caveat that I will say is that this Paperlike is significantly more expensive than other screen protectors. Most screen protectors are about $8, a little bit less sometimes for this larger iPad size, but I believe that Paperlike at the moment is about 3 times that price. Let me check really quick. Yes, Paperlike is about 3 times the price of your average screen protector. Do I think it's 3 times better? Not really. However, my other thing that I will say is that screen protectors seem to be they seem to be very subjective. Some people think that one screen protector completely ruins the screen, while another screen protector has little to no effect. And I think most of them are pretty much little to no effect, except for the really, really cheap, low quality ones. But I think there's a very quick upper limit you can get to the quality impact it has on the iPad screen. And I think this one is pretty good. I would say that it's pretty much the same as my other screen protector. It might be slightly better, but the only reason I'm saying that is because I am aware this one is thinner than my other one. So yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will be looking at them and answering all the questions that I can, usually all of them, because I'm not that popular yet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.